Mosquitoes have appeared in Antarctica. Researchers living at polar stations are increasingly noticing insects that are unusual for these places. We are talking about the so-called winter mosquitoes, which usually live in northern latitudes. These mosquitoes tolerate the cold well and do not pose a danger to humans, since they feed not on blood, but on the organic remains of plants and animals. In general, mosquitoes move around the world thanks to humans. Of all the mosquito species, there are those that prefer tropical regions, others develop in temperate latitudes, and there are those that live in the cold. Most of them feed on plant juice or nectar, and only 6% of species drink blood. These mosquitoes can be dangerous to humans, but it is not their bites that are dangerous, but the diseases they spread. According to the World Health Organization, more than 700,000 people die every year from diseases caused by mosquito bites. Blood-sucking insects kill more people per day than sharks do per year. Mosquitoes are the main carriers of diseases such as dengue, chikungunya, Zika, West Nile. All of these diseases can infect a large number of people. But the most common disease transmitted by mosquitoes is malaria. More than 400,000 people die from it every year, with 90% of cases occurring in Africa. Malaria is one of the leading causes of hospitalization. About 2.5 million people suffer from this infection every year, with a third of the population of Africa facing malaria. This footage shows in detail the process of mosquitoes absorbing blood. The insect's mouth apparatus consists of a proboscis with 6 thin needles, each of which penetrates the skin and reaches the capillaries. To prevent blood clotting, mosquitoes inject their saliva into the wound, which contains about 20 proteins. These proteins are absent in the human body, which causes a strong immune reaction. Blisters form on the skin that are very itchy. From an evolutionary point of view, blood-sucking insects, including mosquitoes, have adapted to feeding on blood, as this resource contains a lot of protein, which is necessary for their reproduction. Interestingly, male mosquitoes feed on nectar, and only females bite humans and animals. The amount of blood they drink directly affects the number of offspring. Females mate before they start drinking blood, males find them in flight and transfer seminal fluid. After that, females begin to look for a victim to bite, reacting to smell and warmth. Scientists have found that the more actively a person sweats, the more mosquitoes he attracts.